Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. And check this out, a 1964 Impala, and the owner has the VIN plate decoded here on this sheet of paper. Unfortunately, the owner wasn't around, and that happens so often when I go to these car shows, or they've got a DJ playing music way too damn loud. You can see it's a 327. So this was made in Flint, Michigan, first week of February of 64. Check out that cloth AQUA interior. Man, that really pops. Great looking Kragers. So this has a 327, which was rated at 300 horsepower, and matching numbers car. Just a great looking car, and beautiful body lines. And I just love the roof lines here. It made it look like the convertible top. Here's another look at that AQUA interior. So unfortunately, the owner wasn't around, but I wanted to shoot this just because it's such a beautiful, beautiful car. So appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Look at that fan shroud. Great looking engine bay, and just a all around nice car. Wanted to shoot it. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed shooting it.